Alright guys, so a lot of you guys have actually been asking, how do you create Amazon, a website like Amazon, a website like Jumia, an e-commerce website that you can sell product and also allow people sell product on your platform? Well, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to talk about how to create an e-commerce website like Amazon, like Jumia, like Konga, any of these top e-commerce platform like eBay, any of these top e-commerce platform, you know. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce platform like that. Now we're going to be using CS Cart for this tutorial. All right, so this is a demo of the kind of website I'm going to be creating. Now this website, one advantageous thing is that you can add as much currency as you want. You could also add sellers and vendors on the platform, right? So let's go in the platform. Let me show you how the platform looks. Now these are the products. As you can see, you have the add to cart, you have the add to wish list, and you have the comparison list, right? You also have reviews, you have the price, and you have the title of the product here. So this is how this part look. And mind you, there's also other theme design, but I'm going to use this for this tutorial. Now if you have brands you're working with, you can also add your brands here, just like this, right? Okay, so and people can come and register and become a seller and sell on your platform, or become a vendor or whatever. Now we're going to click on a particular product. Let's assume this product we're clicking on, this sneakers. Now they can quick view it, just the image, or just click on it to read about it. Now reading about it, as you can see, they get to see the title. If you have a promo code like promotion, you give them here. They see the description, or they can view full description, which is underneath it. And they also have similar product options. So this side also have a similar product option there. And right here on this right side, you have the product, free shipping fee if you do that, and they can add it to cart, buy with one click, add to wish list, or view compare. Now if they want to ask a question about that product, they can click on ask a question and just sign in and ask a question to the vendor that posted that product. Now you manage everything on this side from your back end, right? So from the back end, if a customer purchases a product on this site, and your vendor will have to deliver the product first before you release payment to your vendor. You understand how that goes? Just like an escrow system. So you perform an escrow system for them, so that the customer gets the product before you pay the vendor. Do you understand how that works, guys? All right, so this is the e-commerce platform. Okay, so let's go towards the admin end, so we see how the admin look. It's a quick view options, you see. So this is the quick view. So you can add it to cart, or you can buy with one click, and you can view details of the product as much. All right, so that is all for this part. Now let's go forward and see how the admin end looks. All right, so if you come here, you see the admin end, right? This is the admin end. As you can see, you have the account upgrade text, import data, and you have the payment gateway. You can add as much payment method as you want, shipping method, taxes, storefront and pickup point, storefront. Now another advantage of this platform is, which I didn't show you guys, is the fact that you can also as well track your what's it called now, you can track your order. If someone sends something, or someone purchased something on your platform, they are given a order ID, so they can track their order from here and just put their order ID and track it and see where their product is. All right, so back to the admin. So you have the notification logs, syncs data, and then social login, so people can log in your platform with Twitter, Facebook, Google, etc. once you set that up. So you can set profile feed, and on this platform you have your home, your orders, your product, your users, your vendors, your marketing, and your website. So all these settings you're going to go through in the course of this video. I'm going to show you how to build this for yourself without stressing anybody or anyone about it. So these are the system or the method you take to go through in building your site. So this shows you the sales, your active product, your vendor will say this is your number of vendor, registered customers, this is your recent activity on your site. All right, so that is that. So on your product, you have your categories. Now all this is going to be showing on the end of this video. I'm going to show you at the end of this video. So for now, let me show you how to create this website. Now the first thing you want to do in order to create a website like this is to get a domain name and a hosting. Now there are two places to get a domain name and a hosting I will recommend for this. Now you can either get from Namecheap, or you get from Azura. All right, I'm going to show you how to go through both of them. So let's start with Namecheap. Now, Namecheap is actually strong and has nice customer support system. That is why I recommend them. Azura is strong and cheap as well. They have good customer support, but they don't have a live chat. So you have to create a ticket from there. So any of them you want to use, there's going to be a link in the description of this video to actually pick it and use it from there, right? Okay, so now let's go. Let's come here. Now when you get here, type in the domain name you want to use. So let's call this say Amazon now. Amazon. Instead of X, let's use zon.com. So you can search. Now when you search, it's going to check if the domain name is available. I don't think this domain name is available because it's kind of close, you see. All right, let's talk something like Amazon. Okay, let's assume this is our domain name now. Whatever you want to call your shop is up to you, but call it something that is unique, something that people can easily remember. If you think of Amazon, you see it's very short, Amazon. If you think of Jumia, it's Jumia. Konga, something very short and relatable. And always choose a .com domain because .com is more professional. So there's also the .org, the .net, .ai, .to, .com, but choose the .com which is available. Now you're going to click on add to cart right here. Now once you're done with add to cart, you're going to go to hosting. Now they give you hosting, free trial, all these hosting. Please just jump all these things. Come here, click on hosting, shared hosting, because you're starting for the first time. So you click on shared hosting. Now once again, this is not a WordPress website because a lot of people will actually buy this because they think it's a WordPress platform. It's not a WordPress platform. Now come here, go to this. So now shared hosting, click on yearly plan. So this is the stellar. So they give you 30 days free trial now. And then after the trial, you pay for $22.88 for it, which is $1.98 per month. So with that, you're going to pick this cheap plan and you're going to click on trial for 30 days. So click on trial for 30 days. It will be synchronized to your domain name, right? So it's going to be synchronized to your domain name. So now it's adding both of them together, as you can see. So I already picked the domain I want to use, which to add to cart, change billing cycle. At the end of the day, add to cart, your card will be linked to it and you're going to pay for everything. But for now, you're going to pay for just your domain name. Your hosting will sort itself after your 30 days trial. You understand, guys? All right, so once that is done, you click on confirm order. As you can see, nothing here is your business. Just come down here, click on confirm order, or you click on it from this point. All right, once you click on confirm order, to tell you to either log into an account or create an account. So create an account, and then once you create the account, you'll be made to pay with either crypto or your credit card, and then you actually have your domain and your hosting. Now Azura, on the other hand, is a different platform. So Azura, you come here, click on web hosting, click on it first. I hope this video is not too fast, and if you have followed to this point, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have watched this video to this point, please hit the like button. It supports the algorithm to actually push my videos to all the people that actually need it. So click on the like button on this video and just comment I am following, or comment I love this video. I will really appreciate. So I am following will be better. So just comment I am following and I will know that you're actually following. All right, so now once you get here, click on cPanel. Don't click on direct admin. Then come here, click on yearly plan. So that will be $13 for a hosting. Remember, at Namecheap it was $22. At Azura is $13. That's why I said it's cheaper. All right, now they give you a lot of functions. At your leisure time, you can compare the functions, but for a start, I think this is also okay. All right, so I'm going to click on order now. So for Namecheap, we started with the domain, but for Azura, I prefer starting with the hosting because sometimes when you go to the domain, their domain page always have issue. So now I'm going to come here and type in the same domain name. So what was the domain name? Let me go back, if I could recall correctly. So let me see. I can't recall the domain name. Let me see, view cart. All right, I'm married zone. Okay, let me copy it. Now coming back here, I'm going to put the domain name, remove the, and click on check. Now it's going to check if the domain is available. As you can see, it's $11.99, the same price with Namecheap. Okay, $11.28. It's almost the same thing at the end of the day. So I'm going to click on continue. Now you can always change your currency on both sides. Remember that you can always change your currency on both sides. So if you want to change it in your account, you can do that. You can do that before you purchase your domain name. All right. So this is it. Web hosting, cPanel starter plan, and you're going to pay for annually. You can pay for biannually or triannually, but annually is fine. So I'm going to click on annually, and I'm going to click on continue. All right, DSM manual. All these are not what you want to pay for. Just click on next, and once you get here, select your country currency. So I'm going to select Nigeria, and it's going to change the price, which is 47,632 naira for the hosting, and the domain price, right? So I'm going to feed this detail because I'm creating an account for the first time. I'm going to feed this detail and then make payment with either credit card, PayPal, Bitcoin, Flutterwave, Stripe, USDT, which is CryptoNotes, Now Payment, ID Payment, Cash App, Kana, and ACH bank transfer. All right. So, but I prefer always using crypto on this platform, which is CryptoNotes. So I just buy from my Bybit and send directly to this place. All right. So once you're done, you click on checkout and you're good. All right. So that is how you purchase your domain on either Namecheap or Azura hosting. All right. So once you make payment, they'll send you a cPanel details to be sent to your email. All right. On that cPanel detail, that is where you start building your website. So I'm going to log into my cPanel. And once you make payment for this, you'll be given a cPanel. Now go to your cPanel, go to your email. Now get your cPanel details, and on that cPanel details, you want to log into your cPanel, right? You want to log into your cPanel with me, okay? So I'm going to go into my cPanel. So if you have followed to this point, let me know again. Tell me I am following, right, with X, an X sign. I am following with an X sign. So comment I am following with an X sign. That will make me know that, oh, you are following. So type in I am following with an X sign. So I'll know that you're following. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So go log into your cPanel, and I will see you inside my cPanel. All right, so guys, welcome to my cPanel. So this is the cPanel I'm going to be using for this tutorial. Right, so setup. This is the cPanel I'm going to be using. Okay, so the first thing first, once you get to your cPanel, after you log into your cPanel, just look for File Manager. Now, if you want a full complete tutorial on cPanel management on this channel, please comment cPanel, and I would get in touch with you and as well create a video for you. All right, if you don't have any idea about cPanel, right? So now come here, look for File Manager, open it in a new tab, right? If you open it in a new tab, I already have it open, so it's going to show up like this. Now, when we are choosing our web hosting, I hope I still have that here. All right, if you go back to the hosting, web hosting cPanel, you could see something here that this plan could carry 15 websites, right? Okay, so on this hosting, I have a main website, which is this, right? I use them for tutorial purpose. See, certified trader.net. I use it for tutorial purpose. Now, nothing is inside. So on this main website, this is the main one, which is supposed to be your tab. Now, this one is an add-on domain. I added it to the 15. You understand? So that is that. So for your own case, you're going to have your public_HTML, this part, right? So this is going to be empty. This is where you're going to come to. Just click on public_HTML and you'll be brought here. Now, there's a link in the description of this video to get the file to build this website. You're not coding for scratch. You are coding from a file. You are building from a file. So to get the file, the link is in the description of this video. So just click on the link, carry the file, and click on upload, right? So you go on upload, you click on select file. So after you download the file, you select the file from here. Now on my own part, I'm going to come here, click on upload, click on select file, and this is the file. Click on it and open it. So it's going to load. Once it loads, we're going to install it. So give it some time to load. All right, so while this is uploading, let's come back on our C panel. Now look for something called database wizard. Now this database wizard, I'm going to open in a new tab. Right now, once you open this in a new tab, so I like load connection was interrupted. A network change. Okay, so now I'm going to call this ecom. So I'm going to call this ecom, right? Call it whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. It's a database that you're creating. The database is what link the front end and the back end together. So I'm going to click on next step. Right, I'm going to click on next step. So come here and type in the same thing, ecom. Now they will not ask you for password. Now I like using this as my password. It is not advisable, but it saves me the stress from a lot of things. So you can enter your password, any password you choose, right? So we have created the database name. Now we are creating the database username and click on create user. All right, so once you're done, you see your username is the same thing. So you come here, click on all privileges and you click on make changes, right? So you're done with this database. Remember to copy it, right? So copy, Ctrl C. So that is copied. Go back to your file that is uploading. I think when I had the network switching, that network stuff, this whole thing paused. So I'm going to reload this and do it again. So just allow it. Because of the network switching I had, so that was why. So it's going to start again. Alright, so once it shows green like this, that means it's actually uploaded. So I'm going to click on go back. Now once you get here, you're going to right click on it and click on extract. So once you extract the file, your own is going to be public_html. So you're going to have public_html here, right? So this is mine, so I'm going to extract it. Alright, so now with this, I'm going to click on close. Now I'm going to open this part, this install folder, and as you can see here, I have my domain name /install. So that is what you're going to copy, your domain name /install, right? So I'm going to paste that. So the domain name you choose or your website name /install, you're going to enter it. Alright, so now you'll be brought to this page. So you click on I accept multi-vendor license and click on next step. And it's going to check for the requirements and it's going to show you. Now if it shows any requirement it's not added, just go to your PHP version and update it. So if it shows any requirement is not there, you see it tell you what to accept on your PHP version. Alright, so now this is where we put our database. Remember what we created here, so that is where we put it. So come here, paste this here, paste this here. Remember, I used it for the same password. Paste it here. Now, admin email, I'm going to use this, and for password, I'm going to use this. I want to install demo data so that it will be easy for me to just follow their process. So I'm going to click on install. Alright, so guys, we successfully install our e-commerce website, just like Jumia, just like Amazon, so that people can sell on our platform. So thank you guys for watching this video, right? So I'm going to just go through it and then go through the website too. I'm going to see you at the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And if you follow me to this point, now this license code is going to be given to you in the if you purchase the file from me directly on the link in the description, you're going to get access to this license code, which you're going to use for this part. Right, so I'm going to remove this first. I'm going to remove this. Okay, so you're going to get access to the license code. So I'm going to pause this and continue next after accessing my license code. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys.